The Audi A6 looks like the perfect luxury sedan, and for many people it is. But hidden beneath that sleek exterior are 5 costly mistakes that catch owners off guard. Here's what you need to know before you buy or before your next service. Number 1. Ignoring the timing chain. On TFSI and TDI engines, the timing chain tensioner wears out earlier than you'd expect. That small rattling noise on a cold start? That's not something you dismiss. Left unattended, it can destroy your entire engine. Number 2. Skipping oil changes. Audi's turbocharged engines live and die by clean oil. Stretch your intervals and you're asking for sludge buildup, turbo failure, and a repair bill that could have been avoided for $20. Number 3. Neglecting the DSG gearbox. Most owners think it's sealed for life. It isn't. Skip the service at 50,000 kilometers and you'll start feeling jerky, hesitant shifts followed by a mechatronic failure that costs thousands to fix. Number 4. Ignoring air suspension warnings. The C7 and C8 models with adaptive suspension develop compressor and airbag failures over time. If you're riding on one sagging corner and doing nothing about it, you're multiplying the damage and the cost. Number 5. Buying without a proper inspection. The A6 is a complex machine. MMI electronics, quattro drivetrain, advanced gearboxes. One missed fault code can hide a problem worth more than the car itself. Always get a pre-purchase inspection from an Audi specialist. Always. The A6 is an incredible car when it's properly maintained. Respect it, service it right, and it'll reward you for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Which generation are you driving? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it.